Hello everybody. I wanted to talk a little bit about creating a safe culture to work in, and that's related to World Patient Safety Day, which is on the 17th. For me, this is a key component of making sure we deliver safe services to all our population, and that staff feel safe in raising concerns and speaking up and creating what we want to call a safe culture. There's many aspects to this. One is, as I've said, is around openness and transparency, really feeling able to raise any concerns, speak up when you see things that don't go quite to plan, but also speaking up when things are going really well and how we roll out that learning. We have many ways to do that in the organisation, but we're always looking at ways to improve so people do feel able to speak up. One of the key things about speaking up and investigating incidents and serious incidents is around that learning and how we really embed that in practice. A key component of creating a safe culture is using quality improvement, and really through everything having this continual quality improvement agenda. And for me, that looks like that everybody, wherever they work, whichever level of the organisation they're at, really have permission and empowerment to change things when they come into work, to see things that aren't quite right or that can be improved, and use a methodology and their team around them to help improve things. That really creates and starts to create and embed a safe culture. Another key component of this is compassionate leadership and compassionate care. And linked to that is, of course, kindness, being kind to each other and being kind to the people that use our services. And I do see a lot of that as I go around the organisation. But those of you who will know me will have heard me talk about Michael West and the work that he's done with the King's Fund and others around compassionate leadership and what that looks like. And part of that is listening to each other, really paying attention to each other in what he calls listening with fascination, which is a fantastic term, and several of you will have heard me speak of that before. One of the other things linked to that is really then taking action. When we've listened, when we've heard what people are saying, what else can we do? What else can I do as an individual? What can I do within my team? And what we can do as an organisation at my level as chief nurse. Again, linked with that is something that the Institute of Healthcare Improvement coined a phrase called joy at work. So compassionate leadership, being kind to each other, and really experiencing joy at work are key elements of creating a safe culture. What our organisation is embarking on is something that other organisations have started, something called Restorative Just Culture. And this again is the bedrock of everything, creating psychological safety so people feel safe to raise concerns, and then absolutely what we do with those concerns. We know with other organisations such as Merseycare, we can learn from them in terms of their introduction of restorative just culture. But what I'd like you to think about this week, and particularly on World Patient Safety Day, is what you can do. What can you do as an individual member of staff, wherever you work, to really create a safer culture for all of us? Thank you.